I went on a tour with the Natec partners to get an idea of what is new.
What's new? Our FlatFix Wave series are new. For the commercial flat roof, we have the Wave Plus system for the very big panels, and we have the more economic system, which is the FlatFix Wave entry model.
Gitaan, how does it work?
It's very easy, even blondes can do it on the roof. So you have a base module, you open it, it goes directly from 2 to 4 meters, you lift the high base, you put the panel on, you first put the stabilizer in, you put the panel on, and then you pull the panel towards maximum strength with the zipper. And this makes the system completely screwless and toolless, and in that way unique.
So in terms of installation, it goes very quick.
Yeah, it's very easy to unfold, it's very quick, but it's also, we call it in Holland, hafterproof. So you can only do it right. That's the main thing with all the new people in this business. Yeah, we want to train and help people to do it first time right.
So this one I know, this is the FlatFix Fusion system. I know that one. What is different about the big one?
So this is very flexible and modular. So it's for smaller residential roofs where you have chimneys and all kind of maybe roof windows. So you want to build in a modular, flexible way.
Okay. And what's new? And what is new about this this product?
So this is a very popular product we had, and we felt that with our knowledge we needed an upgrade. So we have new high and low bases with metal inserts. For grounding and bonding to optimize it, and we have new clamps for the extra clamp force and cable exit guides.
Cable exit guide. Wasn't that long overdue? I mean, this has been very slow to come to this market, but I feel it's really necessary.
It's really necessary. We already had it in our companies in the US, so we just took it to Holland.
Mark, I heard a lot about this virtual showroom. Show me.
Well, I'm going to show you the virtual showroom. Virtual showroom, you go to a web browser you are using, and you can use it like Google Maps or something. When you go inside, I will be there to introduce you, to guide you through the whole innovation center, and you can see and you can show all our products, including all different kind of videos to install SDEC mounting system. If you want to do a training or something like that, you can walk through the whole innovation center, and also you can see and we can show you different kind of webinars from installation trainings that we did on different kind of projects. So if you want to have more information, go to our website and go to our innovation center.
So what about personnel? I mean, how do you deal with the shortage?
We just create solar heroes, Vincent. So we offer them trainings, 3 types of trainings, so they really know how to mount their systems and they know all the conditions on the roof. We make them SDEC solar heroes.
Okay, and how do you do that?
So we invite them in our training center, in our innovation center. We can also offer them a webinar, and we can also visit them with our mobile solar bus.
It's coming. SDEC is coming to you. Let's take a look. Wow, this is cool. So let me see here. Here I can just. This looks.
So here you see the base of our steel deck. We just can show people all the mounting systems, and we drive through the whole of Europe. We have 2 buses to visit all our clients.
And you do all of Europe. This bus will come to you if you basically need people trained.
We go to Spain, Sweden, France, and we basically help our channel partners to train their installers.
So if the bus comes to you, how long does it take?
Well, it depends, 2 to 4 hours. We have basic training, so the first one in advanced trainings, and it also depends on what systems you want to have information.
So after the webinar, after the visit to your center and the training, you are officially a solar hero.
Right, you need 3 touch points, so we want to make sure that you understand it very well before mount it, and then you become a solar hero.
Great. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click here for the next video.